the true Urus ancestor. Lamborghini's one-off LM002 wagon. The Lamborghini Urus didn't spring from thin air. While the LM002, Rambo Lambo, is often cited as its direct predecessor, a singular, customized LM002 wagon built in 1986 represents the true genesis of the super SUV concept. This vehicle wasn't just a factory experiment, it was bespoke luxury taken to the extreme. From royal commission to school-run duty, originally commissioned by the Sultan of Brunei, the chassis, LM002, underwent a radical transformation in 1989 by coachbuilder Salvatore Diamante. The standard pickup bed was discarded in favor of an elongated, high-roof cabin complete with wraparound bench seating and, remarkably, a period-correct CRT television. The Sultan demanded extravagance, and the result was a uniquely absurd piece of automotive history. A surprisingly durable lineage after its days in Brunei, the LM002 wagon passed through the hands of Bernd Pischetsritter, former CEO of BMW and Volkswagen, who ensured its authenticity through the Registro Lamborghini. In 2012, it found its way to Sweden, where one owner reportedly used it for daily school drop-offs. The sheer incongruity of parking a silver V12 behemoth next to everyday family cars speaks volumes about its enduring presence. Uncompromising performance under the skin despite its limousine-style body. The wagon retains the full fury of the Countach QV's 5.2-liter quad-cam V12 engine, producing 449 horsepower. This power is managed by a dogleg 5-speed manual transmission, dual-range transfer case, and 3 locking differentials, making it as capable off-road as it is ostentatious on pavement. The engine was recently refreshed in 2024, ensuring its continued reliability. A relic of 1980s excess, the interior is a time capsule of 1980s opulence, featuring black leather upholstery, dome lighting, and the aforementioned CRT television. The bodywork, now finished in a slightly worn silver paint, bears the marks of time, yet its imperfections only enhance its authenticity. This LM002 wagon isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It embodies the unrestrained extravagance that would later define Lamborghini's modern SUV ambitions, proving that the Urus's roots run far deeper than most realize. This unique vehicle demonstrates how the idea of a high-performance, luxury SUV was conceived long before the Urus hit showrooms. It stands as a testament to a time when automotive excess was not just acceptable, but expected.